Welcome learners, I welcome you all in this MOOC course on learning and teaching. I am Dr. Gaurav Singh from School of Education IGNOU and I will be your course instructor for this course. This course, Learning and Teaching, has been developed to help you as a teacher so that you can perform better in your classrooms. Dear learners, the focus area in this course are learning and teaching should be viewed holistically. We try to give you an idea that learning and teaching are not separate entities, rather they should be viewed holistically and their role should be defined as a process for construction of knowledge. Dear learners, in this course, various dimensions of teaching learning process have been discussed, as well as your role not only as a professional but as a facilitator, an innovator and an action researcher has been discussed here. Learning outcomes. This course has certain learning outcomes and you are expected that after completion of this course, you will be able to analyze the learning process in psychological, socio-cultural perspective and in the light of different learning theories. You will be able to identify the factors facilitating learning and use these in selecting appropriate learning strategies. You will be able to plan and practice teaching learning process, facilitate construction of knowledge as a facilitator, as an innovator and as an action researcher, and you will be able to apply suitable teaching learning strategies in diverse contexts. Dear learners, the structure of the course is as such that we are focusing on 4 major areas. The first area is learning, its perspectives and approaches. Then, who is your learner? Understanding the learner. Then the teaching learning process, how you can organize teaching learning experiences, and your role as a professional. So the duration of the course is 16 weeks. Each week requires 3 to 4 hours of your active engagement. You can do it in as many settings as you can, but our suggestion is that complete at least one component of the weekly module in one sitting. We will give you e-text, we will give you some videos, we will arrange a discussion forum to resolve your queries. There will be certain activities which you need to perform after some weekly modules, and there will be quiz at the end of the module. The assessment. As it is a 4-credit course, so the assessment will be through online quizzes and activities, but the assessment through online quizzes and activities will not be counted in the final grades, whereas your performance on the assignment and in term end examination will decide your performance in the course. So dear learners, I welcome you once again. Let's start exploring the course and please begin your journey to become an effective teacher.
Hello friends, I Dr. Niradharde, faculty member, School of Education, Indira Gandhi National Open University, welcome you all to this online course that is Understanding Disciplines and Subjects. Friends, as per NCTE Regulation 2014, you might be knowing that some of the new concepts, some of the new courses that has been introduced in different teacher education programs. So particularly if I will talk about the curriculum of teacher education program, which is introduced by NCT Regulations 2014, you will find 3 new courses that have been introduced. One is knowledge and curriculum, other is language across the curriculum, and the third new course, new concept, that is understanding disciplines and subjects. So friends, this is one of the new course which is included in the B.Ed program as per NCT Regulation 2014, and as per NCT Regulation 2014, IGNOU has implemented it and IGNOU has developed its B.Ed program. So friends, this online course that is Understanding Disciplines and Subjects will provide you a detailed understanding to know the concept of knowledge, the acquisition of knowledge, and from from a knowledge base or by categorizing a particular type of knowledge, how a discipline has been framed, how a discipline has been constituted, and from a discipline, how a school subject that has been framed. Means, if I will say that the journey of a school subject that has rightly start from knowledge. First of all, from a knowledge, a discipline has been constituted, and from a discipline, a subject, a school subject that has been emerged and that has been practiced in school education system. So friends, further, to talk about knowledge, you will find that this course will help you to understand about the concept of knowledge, then the concept of knowledge and information, and what is the difference between knowledge and information, then what are the different sources that we use, that we follow to acquire knowledge, then how to categorize a particular types of knowledge for constituting disciplinary knowledge and for framing a particular discipline. So this course will help you to understand a knowledge base first. Then after, when you enter to understand a discipline, then you will involve yourself to know the evolution of a discipline, then the genesis of a discipline, the history and development of a discipline, and you will also acquaint yourself to understand about the characteristics of discipline, to whom we will say that this is a discipline. What are the different features will be there to understand a discipline? Then what are the different perspectives of a discipline? That is also another important part, important concept of this course. You can say that every discipline is having a socio-political perspective, a philosophical perspective, as well as a type of historical perspective. So this course addresses to understand about the perspectives of a discipline. Then how, the disciplines, within the disciplines and among the disciplines, how the disciplines are interrelated with each other. This is also another concept. Then further, from a discipline, how a school subject has been framed, then by how to accommodate different specific areas of knowledge, just like peace education, just like art education, just like physical education, yoga education, how to integrate it in the core subject, in the core areas of knowledge is also another concept. Then the difference between curriculum and syllabus, what is the concept of a curriculum, then what constitutes the curricular material and how to construct the curricular material, then further how to organize subjects in school curriculum. So friends, these are the certain important aspects that you will study in this online course, that starting from knowledge, you will acquaint yourself to understand a discipline, then from a discipline, how a subject has been emerged. Friends, if I will give you two examples that as per National Curriculum Framework 2005, NCF 2005, then the recent development, that is NEP 2020, National Education Policy 2020, you will find that, this has been, an attempt has been taken that how to make our academic culture, our institution, at the same time our curriculum, multidisciplinary and transdisciplinary approach. So friends, this course will help you as a teacher how to make your teaching multidisciplinary as well as transdisciplinary. So keeping in consideration of such knowledge base, the learning outcomes of this course, that is, the course will enable you to understand and explain the knowledge and how it differs from information, the ways in which knowledge is acquired, the structure of knowledge as reflected in different disciplinary streams and subjects, the processes of evolution of disciplines, and also the interrelationships with their distinctive identities. Further, this course will also help you to understand the interlinks between and among different disciplines and school subjects, the nature of various school subjects and curricular materials, then interrelationships between curriculum and syllabus, and further what constitutes a curricular material. Then further, this course will also help you to understand the pedagogical demands and disciplinary knowledge at different stages of school education, the delineation of content of various subjects and its organization in school curricula, and the factors that influence the choices of streams and subjects by the students. So friends, keeping in consideration of such learning objectives, this course has been framed designed in 6 different modules. That is, module 1 is knowledge and discipline, module 2 is perspectives of disciplinary knowledge, module 3 that is disciplinary knowledge and school education, module 4 that is subject concerns in school curriculum, Module 5, that is organizing subjects in school curriculum, and Module 6, that is making subject choices. So far as the course design is concerned, this is a 2-credit course, and that is equivalent to 60 teaching learning hours. Medium of course will be English. Then you will find the very design of the course that every module has been designed with video programs, PDF based text materials, quiz questions, and synchronous and asynchronous interactions. Then assessment of this course will be done by 2 methods, that is continuous assessment and term and examination. 30% weightage is given to continuous assessment, that is a type of multiple choice types of question, and term and examination will be conducted by National Testing Agency, and weightage is given 70%. And after successful completion of this course, certification will be done. So friends, this is a very good course so far as your B.Ed program is concerned, and from my side, all the best to all our learners who are pursuing this course. Thank you.